Learn to upload and verify leads on your email sender account efficiently.
You go to lists and you basically click on new list over here. You have two options, either upload the list via CSV or upload it via a Google Sheet. You can paste the link of your Google Sheet and basically upload list leads from there, right? Import the leads from there. So what I'll do over here is that upload via CSV, download this sample file, and let me just open up the sample file and show it how it looks to you. Yeah, I hope everyone can see this Excel that I've opened. This is a CSV file, the sample file that I downloaded. Over here we can see that there is some sample data. There are the columns have some fields like first name, last name, and so on. And there is some sample data which is basically my information added over here. What I can do is that I can add more leads in this CSV, right? I'll just pick up some question names from some people in the Q&A section and add their names over here as if they were leads, right? Right, okay, this should be add in the last name. Next, their email address. I just add some dummy email addresses right now. Right, all our unique email addresses now. And over here you can see that there's a column for phone number. I honestly don't know your phone number. I just add something random over here. Company name, I do not know this, so I can just put in anything. Ideally, if I would know the company name, then I would add these. LinkedIn profile, maybe we can skip this. You feel free to remove anything from the CSV file that you don't want, and you can add more custom fields where you want. So let's say webinar, yes, 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 no. So this is a custom field that I have added, and I'll show you how you can use these custom fields to personalize the emails that we send. So once this is saved, what I'll do is that I'll upload these. So yeah, as you can see, you can just drag and drop or select your CSV file, hit next. You'll see the data sample, right? Over here, you need to map the variables. I will map the email column, phone number, we can skip. Webinar, you can see that we do not have a webinar column, right? What you can do is that you can just type it out and hit enter to create this. You have this option to remove duplicate leads. And once you're happy with it, you can just hit next. Then there is an option to verify the emails. So this is a very important feature that would help you ensure that your emails do not bounce. The way it does this is that by doing an SMTP verification of the email addresses that you uploaded in the list, and based on that, it would let you know if it is a good email or a bad email. You hit next, you add a name. So I'll just name this list webinar 26 and today's date basically. Hit next. Now as you can see, this list has been saved. It has 4 leads. They are verifying right now, and it can take a couple of minutes to verify. So this is how you upload leads. I'll just, yeah. So we were over on this page, and let's see if our list is verified first of all. Yeah, it seems like verified, and obviously these emails are incorrect, and you can see that they are marked as invalid, while my email is valid and it is marked as valid, right? So email verification is done. That's great.